शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. Guruji, kindly advise if there is something additional that I should integrate with the two sadhanas or dikshas to overcome my inner enemies, mainly attachment to food, tendency to overeat every time, anger, irritation, and others. From the website, it seems Vara is specifically tackle this. You see that whenever you have a habit, like a food habit, whenever you have a habit or having a angry problem and all, where you need to develop your awareness about those things. For example, when you get anger, be aware. What are the thoughts behind that? What are your expectation behind that anger? What are your belief behind that anger? And then once you know your understanding, your belief, your expectation, then you question, is it necessary for you to have all these expectation about another person and yourself, and how it is going to help you or others? If you are getting anger, is it helpful to your health or is it helpful to another person relationship? See, everything cannot be overcome with a sadhana. You have to develop the awareness about your thoughts, about your expectation, about your limiting belief. Until unless you don't see divine in another person, until unless you don't accept another person as he is or she is, until unless you don't allow another person without any judgment and expectation, all these problems will be there. Okay, so, and this many times we have some desire we cannot fulfill, and we don't have any other activities, only the food is the way to fulfill our inner satisfaction. There is some other thing will be you are expecting, you are needing. So go through that. What are the belief behind that? What are the thoughts behind that? What are your all that expectation? Go through all this. This is all the subconscious thing that you need to work. That is all unconscious thing that you need to work. So this is only possible whenever you get anger. Take one step back. Be aware of the thoughts. Be aware of the anger feeling, its emotion. See how it is creating disturbance in the body. If I do japa of 3 malas, if I meditate for 1 hour, if I come out and get anger for 2 minutes, all that sattva, the positive energy, is destroyed by this anger feeling. So my tapashakti is destroyed by myself. So think how it is going to be beneficial to you, how it is going to be beneficial to other. By telling that, I am not telling don't get anger. Sometimes anger is needed, but to show another person, but not intentionally getting anger for another. That is needed, because sometimes in a workplace, if you don't get anger, it is very difficult to get the things managed. So be careful, but you should not intentionally to hurt someone, you get anger. Just to get the work done, to manage the things, you get anger, but it's not from inside. In that case, it will not hurt you and another person. It is only to manage the things, not intentionally. It should not happen. Okay. So all these inner enemies, of course, Vara is the one. What Vara does, when you chant her mantra, she creates that awareness in you. You become aware, your inner senses become more active, your perception become more different. Earlier you used to see the situation in a different way. Now after meditation, after regular meditation or tapa, mantra japa, what happens? The way you look into the situation changes, because your energy is raised, your consciousness is raised. When your consciousness is raised, the way you look into the things also changes. Once your perception changes, what happens? Your experience changes. With your experience, your belief changes. With your belief, your thinking will change and transformation takes place. That is how the meditation japa brings the transformation. That's what I always suggest. Swadhyaya, self-analysis. being aware of the thoughts, being aware of the feeling, being aware of the emotions. These are very important. Being aware of the beliefs, and especially whenever you get anger, whenever you feel negative habit, smoking, too much eating, and all the unnecessary negative habits will be there, drinking and all. Take one step back, look into that. Are you a master? Are you a slave? Are you a spark of Shiva Shakti, powerful, or you have given a power to the habit, to the mind, to the thoughts? You have a choice. And every choice, every decision you make, every moment of your life, that will guide you where you are going, to the right way or left way. Okay? Be careful. Bring awareness, awaken your consciousness, and be aware of all that is happening. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.